Here are 10 intriguing facts about the moon. 1. Giant impact hypothesis. The moon is believed to have formed about 4.5 billion years ago from debris left after a Mars-sized object, called Theia, collided with the early Earth. 2. Tidal locking. The moon is tidally locked with Earth, meaning the same side always faces us. This is due to the synchronization of its rotational and orbital periods. 3. Phases of the moon. The moon goes through 8 phases: new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent, depending on its position relative to Earth and the Sun. 4. Surface features. The moon's surface has large dark plains, called maria, formed by volcanic activity, and lighter, heavily cratered highlands. The maria are not actual seas, but ancient basaltic lava plains. 5. Lunar eclipses. A lunar eclipse occurs when Earth's shadow falls on the moon. It can be total, partial, or penumbral, depending on how much of the moon enters Earth's shadow. 6. Water ice. Water ice has been detected in permanently shadowed craters at the moon's poles. This ice could be valuable for future lunar exploration as a resource for water and fuel. 7. Apollo 11. In 1969, NASA's Apollo 11 mission made history when astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the moon. Armstrong's famous words were, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." 8. Lunar regolith. The moon's surface is covered in a layer of dust and debris called regolith, which includes tiny glass beads formed by meteoroid impacts. 9. Exosphere. The moon has a very thin atmosphere known as an exosphere. It contains trace amounts of gases like helium, neon, and hydrogen, but is so sparse it doesn't provide any protection against space radiation. 10. Future exploration. Space agencies like NASA are planning new missions to the moon under programs like Artemis, aiming to establish a sustainable human presence and explore lunar resources for future space travel. These facts highlight the moon's scientific, historical, and future significance in space exploration and our understanding of the cosmos.